Alright, my friends, welcome back to yet another unboxing. Today we're checking out a USB table fan. It's a 5-inch strong wind fan powered by USB. Adjustable head, 2 speeds, portable cooling. Here we go. Alright, so this is put out by Liling. 2200 RPM speed, super strong, ultra quiet, brushless motor. Okay, freely adjusted. Alright, let's enough of reading the box. Quality assurance for 3 years. Let's open the box, shall we? Here we go. Picked this stuff up Amazon for about $17. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out. Anyways, so inside we have, let me guess, a fan. Well, that's it for the box. And now let's open the little bag here and see what it is. Anything else in the bubble wrap? Okay. Do a little bit of ASMR popping there. Okay, done with that. Here we have it, my friends. It's let's see. Okay, so it rotates nicely. Let's see, this has a clip and it's fairly sturdy. It's got a good little grip on there, so you could put it on a desk. Actually pretty wide, probably almost 2 inches there, so you could put it on a table or something else like that, or pretty much anywhere on your computer, mount it on your monitor. Let's see, I wonder if I can just set it down as well. Oh yeah. So if you just wanted to set it on your desk, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but if my hand was a desk, you could just set it there and also just rotate this to any angle that you want as well. So that's kind of cool. It has little rubber grips here on the bottom, so it's not going to roll around if you have it on there. What else? So it has the plug-in. Just 2 speeds, high and low, I guess. And let's see, what else can I say? It's plastic construction, but appears to be well. Oh, okay. And this also rotates as well. So you pretty much have, I mean, if this is next to you, you're going to be able to put it, angle it pretty much any way you want to. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so the cord plugs into the back here, and it is a USB. Seems like everything's going USB now. I have lots of plugins in the house, USB adapters and whatnot. So let's see how long the cord is. So, alright, so I have about a 6-foot wingspan. I'm guessing this is approximately 4 feet long. Alright, so that is that. We will be doing, or I will be doing, a demonstration of video and final product review here shortly. Trying to get these knocked out here for you guys. Seems like a cool little fan, first impression. Looks like it'll be a nice little addition to the fan family here. So thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day out there. Okay, so final thoughts on this USB desk fan. First off, it's super quiet. On low, it's difficult to hear it, and it does put out, I mean, if you have it close to you, it's a nice gentle breeze, so it's not going to overwhelm you, but it's just like enough to just, it's just a nice cool breeze actually. So on high, still very quiet and puts out quite a bit of air. So it's very versatile as far as where you're connecting this to. So not only does it rotate here up and down, so any way you want basically, but this part also rotates. So you have a 360 by, you know, whatever. So it's going to reach pretty much anywhere you want to focus this on. So the clamp is quite strong, clips onto up to like a 2x4 pretty much. It's pretty wide, about 2.5 inches there, maybe 2 inches. But it's a strong clamp. It clamps on wherever. Another cool feature is the little, not only does it sit like that, but if you're just gonna, the clamp, it also sits on a desk. So if you have your desk here, it has little rubber non-slip grips on the bottom, so you can put it right on your desk or adjust it any way you want, and it's going to be just fine. Great little fan. The cord could be a little longer, but that's not really a big deal. I mean, I'm nitpicking here. Appears to be solidly built, super quiet, decent amount of air, great little fan. So thanks for watching this review, everybody. We'll see you next time. Everyone take care out there.